Hey guys, Ronald here. If you need to bend a PVC pipe at an awkward position wherein a PVC elbow is not suitable for that particular situation, I mean if it's gonna be a slight bend, we can still do it. We can still bend it using this technique that I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to cover this end with some tape. Just want to make sure that the material is not going to be spilling. Okay. Now I'm going to fill this with some sand. Okay, it's filled to the brim. I'm going to cover it also with this packing tape. Okay, so now let's heat up the pipe. I'm gonna use my heat gun. I'm just going to add some weight so that it would tip over. It wouldn't tip over. First, I'm going to put a mark on where we are going to bend it. Just for reference. Okay, so I hope you like the idea, and Looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.